Google will stop supporting millions of smartphones from September 27. The company will not provide technical support for devices on which older versions of the Android operating system OS are installed. This is reported by TASS with reference to the company and Sharp039 as technical support service.
Users who try to log into their accounts with an older version of the OS will encounter an error when entering their password and will not be able to use email.
In addition, they will not be able to log into their YouTube accounts and use Maps. Phones that have not received an official update to a system older than Android 2.3.7 include Samsung Galaxy S, Sony Xperia Go and HTC Vivo 4G. There are more than 3 billion Android devices in the world, and about 1.2% of them are running Android below version 5. The company encourages everyone using the old Android firmware to update the system to version 3.0.